Hey, it's Rusty. Thanks for tuning in to Burning Cereal. What I have for you today is a recipe that I kind of tweaked a little bit. I was going through one of the many cookbooks that we have here in the house, and I saw this honey garlic chicken, and I thought, wow, that sounds pretty tasty, but Kirsten and I are doing keto, so how am I going to tweak this? Well, this is the recipe that we came up with. And you can substitute out the sugar-free stuff that we have and put in regular ingredients. The only one that's different is going to be this honey. But what we're going to do is we're going to take about a pound of chicken thighs, obviously salt and pepper, some garlic. This is 0 sugar honey. You can use regular honey. It doesn't matter, either or. If you're gonna make it keto, then use the 0 sugar honey. I found this on Amazon. It's called Wholesome Yum. Sounds pretty wholesome and pretty yummy. Some smoked paprika, red pepper flakes, a little bit of olive oil. That's just to get stuff started. We're gonna use a little bit of lemon juice for spinach. I'm gonna make a side dish that's gonna be some sauteed spinach and then some parsley just to make it look pretty. We're gonna put all this together. It's gonna be as easy as So the first step is going to be patting dry the chicken thighs. When you get chicken, doesn't matter what it is, it's normally pretty moist. And what you want to do is get rid of that liquid, because the liquid is going to prevent it from searing. We want to make this chicken as dry as can be. So I am just going to take some paper towels and pat it dry. Usually the non-skin side has the most moisture in there. So pat that side dry, and we'll flip it. We'll pat this side dry. Take your funky chicken towel, get rid of it. Now we're gonna season up the thighs with salt, remember to do both sides, some pepper, and paprika. Give it a little pat. Flip them over. We're going to do the same exact thing. A little salt. I just put paprika in my salt, by the way. It's going to make everything tasty. This might be easier. Now, once we have everything seasoned, we're gonna go ahead and set those aside. We're gonna get ready to cook those. So we have our skillet over high heat. We're just gonna cook the chicken. We're gonna throw a little bit of oil in the pan. We're gonna use these fancy schmancy tongs that we got. Kirsten says they suck, but oh, that's what we want to hear. Just gonna let these cook about 3 minutes on each side. So it's been about 3 minutes. We're gonna give them a flip. Let them go for a few more minutes on this side. So now that they're nice and golden brown on both sides, we're gonna take, ooh, that was a little dark. We're gonna take these off. Let them rest while we make the glaze. Okay, so now we're gonna start on our honey glaze. Again, the chicken's just off to the side. We're not really concerned with the temp of the chicken at this moment. We just wanted to brown it. When we finish with this sauce, we're gonna put the chicken back in, and that's when we're gonna bring the chicken up to temperature. So don't worry about what the temp of the chicken is just yet. So I've got my pan, same pan. You can see it's still got fond all over it. I'm on medium heat now on an induction cooktop that's like 250 degrees. So we're gonna start with our butter. Let that melt. Now that the butter is melted, we're gonna add our garlic. We're only gonna cook this for probably about a minute. Actually, I'm gonna bump that heat up. Just until we start to smell that. Bring it back down. Add in the honey, about a tablespoon and a half, maybe 2 tablespoons, or as much as you want. Bring that temp back up. There we go, 280. Just start to see some bubbles. Now, red pepper flakes, totally up to you, however much you want to use. I'm going to put in a good pinch or 2. Give that a good stir. Bring this down. We're gonna go get that chicken. And we're gonna cover this and let it go for 5-6 minutes. All right, so we have the chicken over there finishing up its cooking. I want to start on the spinach so that they're done at the same time. So I've got a little bit of oil in the pan right now. Start off with some garlic. Just get that around. Just until it starts to smell. You can get that fragrance of the garlic. Once you have the fragrance of the garlic, you're going to dump in your spinach. Season it up. A little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. And we're just going to let this wilt. While that's cooking, let's go check the chicken. All right, looks good. Let's let that finish up. Okay, spinach is almost done. I'm just gonna throw a little bit of lemon juice in there. Turn that off. And let's bring it all together. Simple as that, okay? About 30 minutes worth of work, and we have a great chicken dish. Let's go ahead and give it a try. I want the middle, I don't want the end. Looks fabulous. It's actually really good. It's got a hint of honey. Is it true honey? No, it's that sugar-free crap, but it's not bad. Can't have sugar. Well, I can have sugar, but it's in that. I'll sacrifice not having sugar in this to have sugar in this. But this was actually really good. If you make it with regular honey, I'm sure it's 10 times better. Let's see what our spinach is like. Can't go wrong with spinach. I love spinach. Well, let me know what you guys think. Make this dish, make your changes. If you have any changes you think that should be in there, let me know. Throw it down in the comments. I appreciate you hanging out this whole time. Remember to like, subscribe, all that other stuff. Cheers.